Hi everybody, this is called blow off the light. This is a really cool thing, and when you blow into this, it acts like the microphone is like a resistor that changes the value due to the changes in the air pressure on its surface. So when I on this light, first I blow into this microphone. Now I'll show you. You can just see the light and see how it changes. So how it is, like if I blow light, it'll not go very lightly. It only flickers. See, like this I'm just doing right now. It just flickers. But if I blow very hard, it just goes totally off and then comes back on after a few seconds. Maybe just a few milliseconds. So now you can see what happens. So if you just saw right now, when I blew a little bit, it just flickered. And then when I blew very hard, it just totally went off. And then it came back on. So this is how this project works. And go click the like and subscribe button and hit the bell and share it to others you really know. And this is a really cool thing. If you have this one, I'm going to show you in the next video how to make this thing so you can have your own. But first you'll have to get those items. If you do have it, you can make it just like this. So have fun. Come on to the next video and like and subscribe.